This is all the stuff you need to hook up the Rugged Ridge multi-mount system, which is going to run a GoPro and a cell phone. Pretty simple stuff, nothing to it. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to install this into my JK now. Alright, so here we go. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take out the lovely rubber, dusty, disgusting tray that came stock with the vehicle. We're going to take our 7mm socket here and just basically get rid of this one here, pull it right out, make room for the new Rugged Ridge multi. Basically all it's going to do is we're going to run our GoPro and our cell phone off that. So we'll put this down, make sure we keep it there and don't lose it. And here again, these things here are going to connect it right over top of this thing. So you want to make sure that they're going to be getting really good over in here. You almost want to pull them back. There we go, that one clicked. There we go, and that one clicked. You can kind of hear it and feel it. Take your 7mm bolt, put that back in. Clip this bad boy in here. Oh, I have to take my extender off. There we go. That sucker's not going anywhere. Throw the new tray in that Rugged Ridge gives you. So throw that in. Done. That sucker's not going anywhere. So here we go. This is going to go on first, of course, just like that. This you take here. It's going to go over that ball. But push it on there with some force. There we go. And we'll just get this over and tighten it up. Okay, putting the phone into standard mode here, just putting it straight up. Fits okay, not too bad. Looks okay. Okay, let's flip it now to landscape mode and see what that looks like. And this is what it looks like mounted with a GoPro. Not too bad. Again, you can just move it and then tighten it. I just left it loose there to show you. And again, you just tighten it down here, of course, once you have it where you want. And I've got some footage I can show you as well, how good it looked. No vibrations, nothing. I even did a vlog on it. It worked really well. So GoPro or cell phone, the Rugged Ridge mount is pretty good. It works pretty good. I'll probably do a couple of cool things to this thing later. I've got some ideas on how to make it even better. So stay tuned for that one.